Hey everyone, welcome back to AI and AI Automation. Rocket today, we'll analyze Bitcoin's latest price action and predict the next move. Will BTC break $95,000 or retrace? Let's find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bitcoin had an explosive move upward, breaking past key resistance levels. Currently, BTC is consolidating near $92,500. Facing resistance at $94,800. If we break above $94,800, our next target is $96,000 to $98,000. But if BTC drops below $92,000, we could see a retracement to $90,000 or even $85,000. A breakout above $94,800 means a potential bullish run to new highs. Chart increasing. A rejection at resistance could bring a short-term pullback before another leg up. Watch for volume and market sentiment to confirm the next move. What do you think? Will Bitcoin hit $96,000 or drop to $90,000? Comment below. Speech balloon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more indicator signals on chart. Breakout confirmation. A strong bullish breakout happened with a huge green candle, indicating a high buying volume. The breakout was confirmed as price surged past a previous resistance level. Support and resistance zones. Support level, around $85,015, marked in blue, indicating a strong buy zone. Resistance level, $94,800, marked in red, showing a critical zone where price struggled to move higher. Trendlines and channels, buy signal, marked with B labels, indicating strong entry points near support. Take profit zone. The consolidation at the $94,800 level could mean potential selling pressure. Next price movement prediction. If BTC holds above $92,000, we may see another attempt to break $94,800 and move toward $96,000 plus. If BTC fails to hold, a retest of $90,000 to $88,000 support levels could happen.